What's good, YouTube? Today we back with a ham sandwich reaction. We got a ham sandwich, a dripstick, produced by Zach Sutton. Zach Sutton been going crazy right now. Ham and drip both been going crazy right now. Mixed master by Ham, you know what I'm talking about. Cover art, illustration by Dino Ellis. Yeah. And we got power. This shit about to be either really, really horny and really fire, or just really fire. I don't know which one it's gonna be, but let's get into it.
Ay, that pussy give me power. Put it on me, I've been fiending. Goku uniform, she won my blood.
Oh, this beat. No.
Ay, that pussy give me power. Put it on me, I've been fiending. Goku uniform, she won my blood. I hope I ain't anemic. I just got a bad, she got a bad. We walking out of Neiman's. I've been popping tags, she dropping ass. She might just be a demon. That pussy give me power. Put it on me, I've been fiending. Goku uniform, she won my blood. I hope I ain't anemic. I just got a bad, she got a bad. We walking out of Neiman's. I've been popping tags, she dropping ass. She might just be a demon.
I do like deeper voice Ham. Deeper voice Ham. I like it. I like it.
That little bitch try blow like Reze. I be like Mayday, save my soul. Y'all put work out forces payday. Y'all be on playdays, pussy on grown. Still my bro like killer or gone. But like Denji, I been on my own. Revving no peasant atoning. And that boy in the pheasant, he bone. Been fly, I been hanging with bone. I saw with the comment.
Been flying up and hanging with Bowen.
No peasant atoning. And that boy in the pheasant, he bone. Been fly, I been hanging with bone. I saw with the comments, no comment with me. I'm dropping a bomb in the city. I saw them, they saw what was in me. I'm chopping them all with a pity. Flamethrower, how the flow get a lit. She hating on me, but she's throwing a pit. Place opponents and I'm rolling a split. Case closed, little bitch. She a little pit me, pissed, y'all read them book. Fallen devil, let me cut. Damn, I got a sauce and you pudding. Damn, first step, y'all had bad footing. Rest of the drops, y'all flopped, I couldn't, bitch. Those fans, he wasn't looking. Shit, and I've been going ham on these rookies. Flexing his power, I
That
pussy.
pussy give me power.
Drip continuing his elite run right now. That's what he was fucking doing on this shit, bro. Drip keeping it up, bro. You Ori and them, you know, just being featured in all these big motherfuckers like DPS, Ham, and all the motherfuckers. You guys here in a couple seconds, bro. Y'all motherfuckers are gonna and be right up with them, because you guys, yeah.
Damn, first step, y'all had bad footing. Rest of the drops, y'all flopped, I couldn't, bitch. Those fans, he wasn't looking. Shit, and I've been going ham on these rookies. Flexing his power, I
That
pussy.
pussy give me power. Put it on me, I've been fiending. Goku uniform, she won my blood. I hope I ain't anemic. I just got a bad, she got a bad. We walking out of Neiman's. I've been popping tags, she dropping ass. She might just be a demon. That pussy give me power. Put it on me, I've been fiending. Goku uniform, she won my blood. I hope I ain't anemic. I just got a bad, she got a bad. We walking out of Neiman's. I've been popping tags, she dropping ass. She might just be a demon. Ay. She don't love me, she don't hate me though. Fibonacci curves, her body built from golden ratios. These niggas looking mad as hell at every single place we go. They take their shots, I know it, yeah, but they could never break me though. You think it's 1984, they trying to control me. They got eyes everywhere, ties everywhere, closing on me slowly. Back in the days, I was down bad, couldn't make it out, ain't nobody know me. I was on my lonely, selling off the parts of me that I could live without for Cobaloney. Now I got a rollie, how the times change, you go get the chopper.
Now I got a rolly how the times change. Yep.
Only selling off the parts of me that I can live without for Cobaloney. Now I got a rollie, how the times change. You go get the chopper, touching my chain. Chainsaw split and giving my grains. They ain't saw the vision till the light came. Touching my bitch, that's a death sentence. I'ma shoot a movie on some Cole Bennett. Then we shoot a movie if you get the premise. Used to be a peasant, now I'm independent. I said that I'm in it.
Oh yeah.
Put it on me, I've been fiending. Goku uniform, she won my blood. I hope I ain't anemic. I just got a bad, she got a bad. We walking out of Neiman's. I've been popping tags, she dropping ass. She might just be a demon. That pussy give me power. Put it on me, I've been fiending. Goku uniform, she won my blood. I hope I ain't anemic. I just got a bad, she got a bad. We walking out of Neiman's. I've been popping tags, she dropping ass. She might just be a demon.
Is this Ham? Who? I think that is Ham.
At Mint Mobile.
I think that is Ham. Ham, I forget sometimes that Ham's got a voice on that motherfucker. He's got a voice on his ass, bro, sometimes. He don't use it often, as often as you would think. He makes a lot more just rap. Ham, you need to make I need a singing track from you, Ham. That's what I need. I need a singing track. I need some type of, I need a little Sean, bro. I need some sauce on R&B, bro. That's what I need from you, Ham. That's what I'm gonna need. I'm gonna need a little bit of sauce on some R&B track or some shit, bro. That's what I'm gonna need. Drip, did your fucking thing like I've been saying, dog. One of these days, bro. Real soon, motherfucker. You're not gonna need to go to college anymore. Fire from both y'all motherfuckers. Ham's always a treat, bro. Whether it be super horny Ham, whether it be serious, nice rap fucking Ham. Even if he's horny, he's still got some crazy shit. He's still got some crazy bars going on. With that being said, do all the usual YouTube shit. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.